Hello, friends. Welcome to another episode of Stock Market Daily Update. Today, on my social media, that is Instagram and Facebook, I had shared two stocks, Reliance and Biocon. Make sure you follow me on my social media. The link is given in the description. So let's get to it and analyze today's trades. So the first stock that we traded was Reliance. Yesterday, Nifty broke more than 2%. Today I expected the same kind of move to happen and 16% odd weightage Reliance carries in Nifty. So that might have reflected on Reliance as well. So the trade was on the short side. At this candle, I had expected that Reliance will continue a fall from here and I took a short position here. First target would have been low of the day, and if that was broken, we could have achieved another 1 to 1.5% more. But this trade did not go according to the plan. So let's see what happened here. The stop losses for this trades were at this point, and if that was taken out, I would have completely exited the trade. So what happened here was it came back up and tried to test the lows of this candle, which it could not sustain. And right after that, we saw a shorting up move. I had completely exited Reliance in a loss. But the expectation out of this stock was that it might test this and break this and come to test these bottoms, probably come to these levels and then break down, which did not happen. So I was wrong and I accepted and I got out with loss. The second stock that we traded was Biocon. Biocon was a gap up stock and throughout the day it kept trending upwards slowly. The whole concept about this stock was that today it came out with a insulin injection in the US market. So during this candle, I saw a price rejection. I had updated that based on confirmation. So this was a confirmation for me where the price is being rejected and there still is some kind of upside to this stock. I had entered a long position here with the stop loss at these levels, below which I would have exited, and my targets were that it is going to take out the first high that it created and from there continue its up move. So what we can see here, that it took out the high, came retested this candle here, again a heavy rejection candle. I had added to my position where I knew that the new high also will be taken out. This high also will be taken out, and that's what happened. And we can see the up move at these levels. I had completely exited the stock on average basis. This was the trade on Biocon, mainly because of the news that it came out with and the sideways movement where every lower price was getting rejected and the price was driven up. I hope today's trades are clear. You understood the psychology. I was wrong on Reliance, right on Biocon. Net, we ended in some profit. Make sure you also subscribe to Mostly Bearish and share it with your friends if you want to understand the psychology and strategy used in trades. Thank you so much for watching.